This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Spectacular views with this top floor unit, which benefits from both the direct wide water view and the spacious 2,230 square feet 3-bedroom/2 bath floor plan in this O2 STACK penthouse. Recently remodeled unit with attractive contemporary decor. Large tiled balcony with views looking directly across the width of the Caloosahatchee River. The kitchen features quartz counters, new cabinetry, newer appliances and large walk-in pantry. Both baths also fully updated in similar style. Full closet system installed in large walk-in master suite closet. New luxury vinyl plank flooring and crown molding throughout. Newer fixtures, fans and living room bar. Newer AC system and instant hot water heater. Impact glass for all windows and sliders. The master bedroom has slider to primary balcony with river view, and the front bedrooms share a balcony with sunny city views of downtown Fort Myers. High Point Place has a premier location and terrific amenities including pool, grilling and picnic area, fitness room, sauna, bike storage and more. This unit comes with an assigned parking space and storage closet in the desirable upper parking deck. Ample visitor parking spaces as well. Secured elevator opens to your private foyer. Come see the finest that High Point Place has to offer you. For more information, review the details below.